In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to create a local user account on Windows 10 computer. To create a local user account on Windows 10 computer, right-click on Start menu, click on Computer Management. In Computer Management, you will find Local Users and Groups. Expand it, select Users, right-click on Empty Area, click on New User, type the username, and you can type the full name and description also. Type the password, confirm your password. You may select user must change password at next logon or uncheck this option. You can select user cannot change password or password never expire. I am selecting password never expire. Now click on create, click on close. The user account is created. Close Computer Management. To verify your user, click on Start menu, click on your user icon. The user one account is created. This is the easiest way to create a user account on Windows 10 computer.